All right, I heard it from over here. Build a building. Someone had an extremely productive spring break. So we're going to see a scene about building a building. And we will see it in Pickle.
So, build it! Yep, the hammer's good. You know, I brought my trusty tool belt 2001. No way! I have got every tool you can name. Check this out. This is my drill. It's open like a knife, and now when I use it, it goes around in circles. I pulled out a ninja. That is awesome. You can let him go away. Nice. Go back to Japan. Okay, I tell you what. I won't pull it out of my tool belt, but what I will do. Whoa. Out of my shoe. Let me just undo my laces. Like a double knot. You want to tie that like a ninja. We train together. Now, this is very special to me. My grandma gave it to me. It's a harmonica. Oh, because I work best with music. So if you could play me some music, then I could, put in all these studs.
All right.
All right, so play
And lucky for you, I am like the greatest harmonica player in the world, and I happen to know several versions of blues songs you may never even have heard of. This one starts in the key of H.
There's not a verse you put in your mouth, and the thing that was in my sweaty boots.
Wouldn't be the first time.
I'm going to use my mallet to start hammering in these nails.
Clank. Clank. Oh my goodness, there's a squirrel on the other side.
Oh, didn't make it.
Don't know why I took it from you then. Is there something in your tool belt that'll bring it back to life?
Yes. I have got... Oh, wait. Regulator.
Go ahead, use it.
It's made for kids so that I can cook the squirrel. Now, on the count of 3, I'm going to shock it. 1, 2, 3. I don't see a heartbeat. I'm going to have to do it again. 1, 2, 3.
You're doing it wrong. You know what you're doing it wrong. You're... No, it's over. Okay, here, let's try it again. Hold on top to my jugular. Don't pull. Wait a second. Don't pull.
I recognize this squirrel. It's actually a chipmunk.
That's not a squirrel at all.
That's right. I think it wants to sing us a Christmas song.
I'll play my harmonica.
I'm going to name it Alvin. Play us a Christmas song.